be unboxing our Chic Beauty Box for July, and I'm pretty excited. Maybe this is August, guys. I get a little confused because this is a bi-monthly box. So if you guys are new here, that's what today's video is all about. Quick disclaimer, as always, your girl embraces the hot mess, but she's a real hot mess. She's a real hot mess today. That's all I gotta say about that. But fortunately, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, and stress-free zone. And yes, part of the uncomfortableness is this eye look that I did create, which will be coming soon to this channel, I believe on Thursday, with a giveaway. Sneaky peeky, I'm not gonna open it up. I'm not gonna tell you guys about it, but I'm just gonna say, stick around. Subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because we got some playing we're going to be doing later in the week. So anyways, guys, today's video, like I said, is all about the Chic Beauty Boxes. It is a bi-monthly box, and it does have $34.99. And one thing I will tell you is you get to customize pretty much everything in this box. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I want to say this is my second or third unboxing of the Chic Beauty Box. I could be wrong on that. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and dive right in. Now the first thing that I did get in here, and again, like I said, this was something where I got to choose, and you will receive 4 to 5 full-size items in your box, like I said, every other month for $34.99. If I forgot to mention, they did send this over to me complimentary once again to unbox and review for you guys. So the first item is by Clarins, which I get so excited to see Clarins in our subscription boxes. This is the mask. It is a super restorative instant lift serum mask. So you guys will be seeing this probably over on my Instagram, so definitely be following me over there, because I do like to do like self-care Sundays every so often over there and letting you guys know which masks I am reviewing. So this mask, let's see, I'm gonna open it up and see how many are in here. It is one packet of a mask, so there you go. So it's a sheet mask, love those. Okay, and let's go ahead and get into the box. So this is what the box looks like, and you do get a nice little card in here as well. And there's only 2 variations in this box for, like I said, I believe, it doesn't say on here, but I'm wanting to say this is maybe like August, maybe the August box, not the July box. It doesn't say, guys, but either way, if you sign up today, this is the box you would get. Anyhow, so you either get 1 or 2 variations. It does tell you a little bit of everything in the box, retail value, and then of course grand total. So I love that because it makes my job much easier. So again, like I said, you do get to customize the items in here. Now, I was low-key a little overwhelmed because I couldn't decide. I could not decide at all. So I was like, you know what, you guys pick. So some of these items I actually had them pick. This is, I think, the only thing I actually picked myself. So the first item in here is by Tarte, and this is the Chrome Pot, and it does have a retail value of $22. And again, you could customize the shade, and I don't think I did. So I already have one of these, and I actually really like it. And oh no, I don't have this. This is different. This is cool. So it doesn't have the little doodad in here. Let me show you guys. I don't know what I do with it. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Ignore all the other swatches I have on here because I had filmed another video. Isn't that just gorgeous? That's really pretty. So the little doodad wasn't in here. So typically it, like, you just stamp it down. Right now mine's like kind of powdery. I don't know if they're supposed to be like that, to be honest, but then again, I don't have this particular one. And I don't know what happened to the one I did have over here. Okay, so the other one, this is the one I have, but it was already pressed down. This is one I already had, and I don't know, this one, it's like, I guess, a new formula or something. It's a shadow pot. So mine came like it was loose. in here. Mine is not pressed. Maybe I have to do the pressing. Let me know how you guys came, because that was unexpected. Okay, so the next item I see in here, and again, this is a choice option. You could have gotten this, or I think a bullet type of lipstick. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte in the shade Sellout. And this is, let's see here, this has a retail value of $21, and it does look like you would have gotten either this one or the Peach Kiss Comfort Matte. Ooh, this is pretty. That's actually really pretty. Ooh, it smells good too. Oh, that's so me. That is so me. That's like the perfect nude. Not too peach, not too pink, just right. And again, I feel like I would definitely use like a lighter right in the center to kind of ombre out my, I'm sorry guys, every time I look at my eyeballs, I'm like, wow, that's so not you. It's so dark, but anyhow. Okay, so moving right along, the next item in here, this is the Tarte lip liner, I believe it is, and it does look like this has a retail value of $24. Ooh, this is really cool. Okay, I think I may pick this one too. So this is in the shade Romantic. So on one side, you have a lipstick or a lippy kind of, ooh, and that's so nice and creamy. Ooh, that is so pretty. Like my whole arm is nothing but swatches. I love this. Let's see, can I? I'm gonna put it right over what I have on. That's really pretty. And then on the other side, you have the liner. So had I had actually paid attention, ooh, and it matches perfect. So that's neat. I actually picked this because I had never seen this before. Obviously Tarte has had it, but for some reason I've always overlooked it. So I can tell you guys it is a very comfortable formula, and like I said, it has a retail value of $24. I guess I have variation 1. Then the last item in here, and again, this is one that I did pick, so maybe I picked more than I thought, but this is a really pretty eyeshadow palette by Milani, which I think what I'll do is I will go ahead and do a swatch and look over on Instagram unboxing this as well. So definitely make sure you're following me over on Instagram, because I will be swatching and creating a look using all of these products for you guys. So let's talk about the retail value of everything in this box. This Milani, I'm sorry, does have a retail value of $10.99. So everything real quick that we did receive is the Clarins mask, which does have a retail value of, where is it? $25 for this mask. $10.99 for the Milani eyeshadow palette. This Too Faced has a retail value of $21. We've got the little Tarte chrome paint pot that does have a retail value of $22, and then we did get the lip dual ended by Tarte, and that has a retail value of $24. So altogether everything came to $102.99, and like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription that is $34.99. So my thoughts on this, you guys, I am like so with the eyes. Like I really like this one, but this one is like stressing me out because it's like anyways, my thoughts on the Chic Beauty Box. I personally like it. I like, one, that it is bi-monthly. 2, I like that the items that you're getting in here are definitely worth more than what you pay for this box. I like that we do get a range of high-end products, and I like a lot that you get to customize the items in here. I love multiple choice. I am a Gemini, so sometimes I do kind of struggle on making that decision. So I like that they give us like a multiple choice. Hey, do you want this or do you want this? And if you want this, what shade do you want? Do you want the neutrals? Do you want the nude shades? Or do you want those bold, vampy, deep, dark kind of shades? So I definitely like that they do give you an option as far as that goes. Now, one thing that I do notice sometimes is people will make comments about subscription boxes in my comment section, like all that stuff that I can get over at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. And although I definitely do agree with you on that, for me personally, I don't have a TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Ross around me that stocks their shelves that well with these particular products. If I want to go to one that does stock their shelves really well, I'm literally driving either an hour and a half away or an hour away and going out of state for it. To me, that's not worth it. You guys know I'm a homebody, so I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good. And even if you try and shop online at those places, you're 9 times out of 10, you're not gonna be able to find it. So anyways, yes, I see your point on that. Yes, I do understand. I definitely see both sides of the fence there. But I think that subscription boxes, like I've always said, I think they're really good, especially if you're trying to grow your collection, or maybe you missed out on when those particular products did come to market, but you still didn't want to pay that. You know, this is when these boxes definitely are worth the money. Like I said, this is a bi-monthly box. It's $34.99, and I think that you do get a really good array of different products. So I don't know about this whole Tarte chrome paint. I don't know if it was supposed to come shattered like that, so I'll just press it back down. Not a big deal. I mean, we see that it's a beautiful, beautiful shade, and it's definitely my type of shade. So like I said, there's definitely a giveaway going on right now on my channel with Balzano. There will be coming up a giveaway with Alter Ego, so definitely make sure to subscribe down below. I will be doing a video over on my Instagram using all of these products for you guys, not just doing swatches, but going a little bit more in depth with a look. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below as far as this box goes. Have you signed up for the Chic Beauty Box? Do you enjoy the box? And like I said, I do like the items that we did receive, and like I said, I really like the fact that I do get to customize it more than a lot of other subscription services. So anyways, friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to give your girl a big thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I do upload over here 5 to 6 times a week, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern time, and then on Sundays, typically Get Ready With Me is trying out new makeup, old makeup, fun makeup. Never know what you're gonna get, 9 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely stick around. And like I said, follow me over on Instagram, just HotmessMomma4. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.